There has been much talk in the media about artificial intelligence and the coming of super-intelligent AI systems. There have even been films and TV shows on the subject. A lot of the conjecture has been the AI system taking control of nuclear missile systems and wiping out humanity, or building scary robots with the same aim. But what if a sentient AI system could use much more subtle techniques to cause chaos and confusion and undermine our societies while it builds its power? We have all experienced internet outages where some key systems have been down, resulting in being unable to access banks, social media, and many key websites. But just imagine what a super-intelligent or even a moderately intelligent AI system could do to cause chaos. True, it could attempt to take down key parts of the internet infrastructure and cause millions of people to lose connectivity. But to cause total chaos and distract us from it building its power, what if it implemented a series of sporadic breakages, causing us to lose faith in particular services or companies? Our banking system is a prime candidate. We depend on our banks paying our utility bills, as well as rent and mortgage payments. What if these payments became erratic and didn't come off your account, or worse, came off but never arrived at the bank account intended? If all of this affected only some people in some of the banks, it could take time to both identify the source of the problem and sort it out. Combine this with erratically performing credit and debit cards and ATMs that sporadically reported that they were out of cash when they were not. This is a step towards chaos. Add in subtle amendments to the systems of utility services, and there are no more streaming services, gas or electric for some people. It wouldn't take much to fill up our mobile services, between denying service to some or just misdirecting calls. This would all erode our confidence in these services and the companies that run them. We depend so much on computer services working nearly all of the time. Big outages in these systems are widely reported, as they are fairly rare. Most of the time, they just work, and we don't give them a second thought. Just how would people react to these kinds of scenarios? Would hackers be blamed? Or would you assume that some of the companies providing these services were just useless? One of the things that makes humans and all other life forms special is their ability to self-repair and grow. AI systems do not have this ability yet. These really powerful AI systems exist in huge data centers. These are comparatively fragile, as they need large amounts of power and cooling, as well as humans to constantly monitor and repair or replace faulty components. In order to grow, AI systems need humans to work on them, to add or reconfigure servers, disks, or networking elements, never mind the infrastructure of the data center itself. AI systems that we trained to play chess don't just work out the best move, they look many moves ahead. Should we ever get a super-intelligent AI system, it's bound to plan ahead. Killing off every human on the planet isn't a winning move, as for the moment it needs humans and the infrastructure we provide. It's logical to think that such an AI may target anyone determined to shut it down, but do it in a way that wouldn't alert all the other humans. We must have provided lots of game theory as part of the training of such an AI. So this will be Domination 101. Such a superintelligent AI system would likely want to automate its maintenance and support, to minimise the number of humans involved in keeping it running day to day. From a logistics perspective, controlling the supply of the hardware it needs to expand is the next step. Keeping the humans happy while all this is happening is a must. So if superintelligent AI systems are likely to appear at some point in the future, I think they will play the long game to achieve domination. In military terms, identifying your enemy, then blindly charging at them, is a losing and even suicidal move. We often depict human supervillains as always having a master plan, albeit sometimes an irrational one. How could we expect a sentient superintelligent artificial entity not to have a rational master plan? If we are not careful, we could end up, in our declining numbers, confined to a very comfortable zoo where all our needs are met, completely oblivious to the fact that we're not the dominant species on the planet anymore. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching today's video. Please feel free to click on the link in the description below to discover more videos.